Hi, this is Romero with Container Garden Club, and today we're checking in on our potatoes. As you recall, we started an experiment where we're looking at growing potatoes in just peat moss. So we're adding no additions to it, just peat moss. And I wanted you to be able to see how well it's growing. So I thought that we would look at how actually large this plant has gotten, and you can see it's about 18, a little bit over 18 inches tall, which is roughly double where it was when we first started this experiment. So incredible growth with this. Again, first time trying this in just peat moss, and absolutely amazed with the results so far. I wanted to, while we're together today, just have you take a look at a couple of things around growing potatoes. So one of the things you can look at is when a potato grows, you want to kind of grow it in layers. So as it grows, you want to add additional growing medium to it, just like this. And you want to get to just maybe, just like right below those sets of leaves. So the leaves is where it's going to get its energy, and you want to just kind of keep piling it up. So as it grows, it'll grow a few inches, you're going to add more growing medium, etc. So we're going to do that for these other plants in a moment, but that's what you want to do. You want to just kind of keep layering that growing medium as the plant grows. It's going to provide the support that it needs so that it can be able to hopefully produce really great yield for us as it expands and grows. Thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate your being part of our family and our community, and we'll check you out on our next video. Have a great afternoon.